Today we're looking at a deck that we have constructed out of pressure treated lumber. It is composite decking with PVC trim boards. There's no nails showing above. It's all put together and sealed with hidden fasteners, so there's no nails or anything protruding up or screws that could come up and hit your feet. Underneath here we have a support beam, 6x6 with half-inch bolts connecting it for strength. We have hurricane straps so it won't lift up, and Picos for support against the ledger board, which is attached to the house with bolts and legs.